मेरे आज के बहुत ही खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान।
Actually, तकरीबन सब कुछ जानते हैं
It
because
is on my bucket list as
right,
well.
right. No, so I have done scuba diving, water skiing, snow skiing.
Hi, this is Simi and you're watching Saturday with Simi. Saturday with Simi में मेरे आज के बहुत ही खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान, दी डॉक्टर त्रेहान। मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनके नाम से इस पूरे देश में, दुनिया में कोई नहीं वाकिफ होगा। तो आइए मिलते हैं और करते हैं उनसे कुछ बातें। वेलकम टू द शो डॉक्टर त्रेहान।
Thank you.
Your name is, a lot of people consider you as a god of medicine. So, नाम सब जानते हैं, आपको सब जानते हैं। क्या ऐसी चीज़ें जो लोग नहीं जानते आपके बारे में?
No, first of all, ये जो God business is a really false kind of creation of somebody, whatever it may be. But it's not a nice thing to even think about it or talk about it.
Yeah.
Because it's doctors are actually there to practice their profession, and while doing your profession or while doing your job, you're actually touching people.
Absolutely.
You may be relieving them, but at the same time, and when they get better, they feel good. They want to thank you. But it's a little misplaced to think that or being called God, because then it's a problem for the doctors also.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, क्या नहीं जानते? Actually, तकरीबन सब कुछ जानते हैं because my life is quite public. So I am in public eye, except when in about 6 hours a day when I'm in the operating room. I'm in public eye all the time, so everybody can see me eating, talking to patients. It's all up front because I don't get time to even take a break for lunch or something.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
there is a lot of things that I do which you would like to do in private, but you can't.
You can't do.
Right.
So both your parents were doctors,
Yeah.
and so was that the inspiration for you to become one,
It
or?
was very difficult to say because my parents always discouraged me from becoming a doctor.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that doctors as parents believe that they are guilty that they are not spending enough time with the family.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they don't want to wish it on their children also that they don't get time to sit. But it's an inner kind of influence, I think, that because they were both doctors, we were living in a very tight space. I could see patients coming in, almost screaming in pain and walking out smiling. So it gives you that feeling that yes, this is a profession which has meaning.
Absolutely.
I think even at a young age, it sort of
Stays with you,
impregnates your mind with some values.
Absolutely.
Okay. So I think from that point of view, this madness gets inside you, and only a doctor realizes that what satisfaction one gets from working.
Yes.
Nobody else. I mean, people say, you don't take holidays. We are going playing golf. We are going to such and such place. Why are you coming late to dinner? Where everybody's here since 8 o'clock. You just came at 10. But it does not make you unhappy. In fact, it makes you, because our life is very satisfying.
Very satisfying. You're touching so many lives and you're
Yeah,
changing so many lives.
it's a challenge. You do it. You're fighting for life all the time. It gives meaning. Okay, that is a given. So that is our driving force. So if nobody else can understand from outside. Okay, so that's it. And I'm sure there is a lot of it to do with your own ego, your accomplishment. It's a mixed bag. But the point basically is, parents always said, you don't get time as a doctor to spend time with the family, with yourself and all that, so don't become a doctor.
Don't become
But
a doctor.
in those days, whatever your parents told you, you wanted to do the opposite. So
Opposite.
here I am, I'm a doctor now.
Interesting, interesting. That's very... I also read somewhere that you were left-handed.
That's
And your
correct.
teacher broke your hand so that you
No,
could...
broke my knuckles
Knuckles.
and converted me to right-handed.
So, I mean, that must be a very...
No, at that time, what I could notice, because I was still very young, was the fact that my handwriting, which was quite beautiful on the left hand, went to pot. So then, when I became a surgeon, I realized that although even when I was growing up, while playing cricket, I used to bowl with my left and bat with my right. So there was some confusion which I didn't recognize actually.
Yeah.
It's only when I became a surgeon I realized the attributes of ambidextrous. That it was a very useful, it's a special thing to have.
Yeah.
To be able to use both your hands because to do surgery properly, you don't have to bend yourself this, that way, just trying to get the stitches in. You can just keep switching your hands and keep doing, and you do a wonderful job. So handwriting is a problem, but operating is fantastic. So I actually, the teacher I used to curse, when I came back visiting from US, I went to thank him with some gifts and all that and said, you have created a special person here as a surgeon, because ambidextrous as a surgeon is a great gift.
It is.
So that's
amazing, amazing. So we didn't know that.
So by accident, by some old sort of superstition that left-handed is unlucky, that's how he converted me. But that turned out to be lucky. So
that turned out to be lucky. That's awesome. That's awesome. So I also read about your TB Free Haryana, that initiative that was started last year. And so what, how much have you been accomplished so far in that, and what?
You know, this is how things happen sometimes by accident. There's a Dr. Bonali Datta is our pulmonologist, senior pulmonologist. He came from UK. And one day came to me that I want to do a pilot study for TB. Of course, the word TB in a hospital or for a cardiac person feels, you know, like it's infective, you want to stay away from it. So I said, okay. So she said, I need some of your van, which we have for community outreach program, which has a digital X-ray in it, and I said money, and I need to do this. I said, please go ahead, do it. I mean, that's my job to encourage people to do things.
Absolutely.
So then I forgot about it. One day I got an invitation from the UN Union is a UN sort of body which says Union Against TB and Lung Disease, and they were organizing the Mumbai Dialogue.
Okay, where Amitabh Bachchan was also.
So I said, what is this? So they said there is American ambassador Amitabh Bachchan, Ratan Tata, and yourself, and one government functionary.
How wonderful!
I said, what is this about? They told me it's about TB.
Oh.
That how the polio program sort of eradicated polio, at least for some time. That this is to bring into focus how to get rid of TB.
Okay.
So as soon as I heard that, first of all, I said, I'll go. But the other, I called up Bonali. I said, Bonali, you asked me for all this, what did you do? And she gave me the pilot study data. And very interestingly enough, what happens is, if people who have persistent cough, which does not respond to normal antibiotics, they should be suspected to have TB. Now 50% of the patients who do have TB, their bacteria will come out in the sputum, and 50% it won't, so they will go undiagnosed. Those are the danger points. Because if they go undiagnosed, each one will infect 10, 12, 15 people in their lifetime, so it multiplies to another people.
That's kind of sad.
The only way to diagnose them, if they don't bring it out in the sputum, is a digital chest X-ray, not the regular analog X-ray like the old type, but the digital X-ray, because the sharpness of digital X-ray will pick up these defects, but which the normal X-ray will not.
So the community hospitals do not have that facility.
And especially the primary health centers where these patients go. So I said, this is fantastic, that if this is all it takes, why don't we take on launch a mission, TB Free Haryana. And we will, as part of our CSR, keep creating these vans. We have a champion in Bonali Datta who is committed. We'll give her the resources, and we'll go ahead and assist the government. See, what do we do? We don't take on anything else. We only assist the TB officers in getting that X-ray.
Perfect.
And now we find that 35% of the X-rays that we do on suspected patients are turned out to be TB. So the payoff is huge for 35%. So we now are running into thousands where Bonali Datta and our team have been going around. So we then, from our first experience, we ordered 2 more vehicles, vans. They are actually being manufactured right now. They are supposed to be delivered on the 1st of November. And we're going to celebrate around the 20th, the anniversary of this. So by that time, we would be ready to launch 4 vans. So we can actually cover now 3 times of what we are covering today. So this is a possibility. We took on a 5-year project. We committed 5 crores of rupees. from ourselves, and then we are getting from other people, and then the vans from us. And so this whole thing is coming together very nicely, and it gives you a great feeling. Now, what is the multiplier effect of it? So Banali does this. So that we have Dr. Sushila Kataria, who is the chief now of internal medicine.
Yes, yes.
She said, dengue is coming.
Yes.
Why don't we use the power of the children to try to stop dengue?
Try to stop.
So we started mission Stop Dengue. Then we supported her with all our vans to go. So the children would come here. We give them a training program. We found an 80-year-old guy who is I forget his name, but he is the one who is brilliant. 8-year or he's an orator.
Okay.
So he inspires the children. He's a poster boy.
Awesome, awesome. Yes.
So we have led this whole thing. I think there are over 3,000 children who have been inducted into this program.
Awesome, awesome.
Now we are waiting to see what effect it had, the outcome. But this is now going to be a permanent program. Year round, we want to lick dengue and chikungunya. It's working havoc in our community.
Yes, it is.
So it's an education. It's arming them with the knowledge to how to get to eliminate the larva in their breeding grounds. So that's what we are doing right now.
Perfect. यहाँ लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, कहीं नहीं जाएगा, बातों का सिलसिला जारी रहेगा। मेरे आज के बहुत ही खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान।
Actually, तकरीबन सब कुछ जानते हैं।
It is on my bucket list as well.
Right, no, so I have done scuba diving, water skiing, snow skiing.
ब्रेक के बाद स्वागत है आपका। बातों का सिलसिला जारी रखते हैं डॉक्टर नरेश त्रेहन के साथ। आपने बताया मिशन डेंगू और चिकनगुनिया, आपकी बड़ी एबल टीम है। दे केम टू आवर स्टूडियोज ऑल्सो, डॉक्टर शुभांक एंड डॉक्टर सुशीला कटारिया। और अभी तक 25,000 स्टूडेंट्स को जो है वो टच कर चुके हैं। अबाउट 30 डिफरेंट स्कूल्स में जा चुके हैं। 2-3 डिबेट्स भी उन्होंने हमारे साथ आकर यहाँ की और सेंसिटाइज किया लोगों को इस बड़ी ही बेकार सी बीमारी के बारे में, बिकॉज वी ऑल हेट इट एंड वी हेट मस्कीटोज फॉर दैट। तो कितना आपका योगदान रहा इसमें, इसको प्रमोट करने के लिए और उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए?
तो ये तो मेरे को तो बहुत खुशी है कि हमारे टीम में इतने वॉरियर्स हैं।
हाँ।
तो कि ये जैसे हमने हार्ट डिजीज पे धावा बोला हुआ है, इन्होंने एक ने टीबी के ऊपर बोला है, दूसरा अब डेंगू के ऊपर है। तो दिस इज वेरी गुड फीलिंग। वेदांता के लिए भी बहुत फॉर्चुनेट बात है कि ऐसे लोग हैं जो मिशन। तो इट्स माय जॉब टू सपोर्ट देम।
यस,
एंड दे हैव ऑल आवर सपोर्ट। दिस इज अ ग्रेट कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट। नो, यू सी व्हाट वी मस्ट रियलाइज कि सिविल सोसाइटी में इतनी पावर है, जी, इतना रिसोर्स है कि अगर जो उसको यूज करें, दे कैन हेल्प themselves.
Absolutely.
They don't have, we must realize कि सिविल सोसाइटी में इतनी पावर है, जी, इतना रिसोर्स है कि अगर जो उसको यूज करें, they can help themselves.
Absolutely.
They don't have to depend on government.
Yes, absolutely.
And the more people who can become self-dependent and take care of their own problems,
जी,
the more successful the government will become.
Absolutely.
It's a partnership. But what happens is that we often ignore the power of the civil society. We will never recruit them into drives.
Yeah.
So I think that this is one of the times of life where India is on the move. We are all inspired that India is going to be a great nation. We have a great leader.
Yeah.
And I think if we don't seize on this opportunity, I don't think this time will come again for a long time.
Absolutely.
This is my belief.
No, this is a wonderful belief, and you're doing fantastic job. Talking about government, what kind of support is government, what are they doing in helping you in this mission, since you have TB free Haryana?
Let me talk about one by one.
Yeah.
So the government has a DOT program.
Yeah.
So the only gap that we saw
in
this whole thing was the absence of digital X-ray.
Okay.
So we plugged that gap.
Perfect.
To assist the TB officers in their ability to carry out their work properly. The rest is taken care of by the government.
Okay.
And so much so that the treatment, which is the fortunate part, is the treatment for 6 months of medicine for TB, it costs only 3,000 rupees.
Oh, how interesting.
So you can treat it.
You can treat
You can detect it and you can treat it. There are some detections which become very expensive to treat, and the government may or may not have that money. But in this, there is enough money committed
Ji.
to be able to treat all the patients we can diagnose with TB.
Perfect.
So if you're going to bring down the incidence of TB, say even half,
Yeah.
the effects here, one, the patient is not miserable anymore, he's not a burden on himself,
Yeah.
he's not a burden on his family, he's not a burden on the community, and moreover, he's not a burden on the country.
Absolutely.
So this is a no question win for all situation if by just doing a little gap. Okay.
Yes.
Now if you look at it, the government is doing many things. How efficiently, how successfully, it varies.
It varies, yes.
But if there is public participation, which is one initiative from the public
Ji.
and welcoming by the government,
Uh-huh.
if these two things happen, India will be a different nation.
Absolutely. I agree 100%.
I think that's what the gap has been, that we have not used the power of the two together. So what happens? People can say government ने ये नहीं किया, government ने वो नहीं किया, हाँ। रोने से क्या होगा?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
आपने अपने लिए क्या किया? ये पूछो. Just so that famous speech of Kennedy. Ask not what the nation can do for you, what you can do for the
For the
nation.
nation, absolutely.
Right? So that is the crux of life.
Yes.
Is to say, I'm here, I'm going to take care of whatever I can take care of, and whatever the government needs to take care of, let them take care of that.
Absolutely. What a wonderful
Rather than
thought.
just whining all the time. I'm fed up.
Oh, I know. I know. Hey, so do you actually get time for yourself? I mean, stay busy up. I saw the line of patients one after the other waiting to meet you. So,
So, basically you're right that my life is busy 12 hours of the day. But I still make time. Look, I'll tell you, if people go to a dinner, they spend 4 hours there. I will spend 1 hour there.
you'll spend one. Okay.
So that instead of getting at 8 o'clock and drinking for 2 hours, I will get there at 10 o'clock, have dinner and go home. So it's a different life.
It is.
But I do meet people. I enjoy doing things. I do everything. In fact, I just came back from skydiving.
Oh, that's one thing I really want to do. Absolutely. I haven't done it, but I would love to do skydiving.
No, you should. It was on my bucket list.
It is on
So
my bucket list as well.
right. No, so I have done scuba diving, water skiing, snow skiing. This was missing, so I got the opportunity 3 days ago. So,
How was it though?
oh, what an
It's
experience!
a liberating experience, I guess.
Fantastic. It is those 2 minutes that you are free falling. It's fantastic.
Oh my God! So I have to do it.
Yeah,
I have to do it.
it's an experience you can't even explain. It's exhilarating, and it stays with you.
It stays with you.
That spirit still stays. So
That's awesome. That's awesome. Medanta is known for, you have this multi-speciality unit here. Is there anything that's missing that needs to be added? I believe a
Yeah.
burn ward is not there, or
Well, burn ward is maybe one thing, but more importantly, children.
children. Okay.
We don't have obstetrics, means we don't have mother and child
Mother
right now.
and
We are working very actively on it, but we have everything else. So you can see we have all the high end of. See, we do the most complicated heart surgeries.
Yeah.
We do liver transplant, kidney transplant, cancer, everything. We have the biggest cancer institute you want to find. Bone and joint,
Ji.
kidneys, robotic kidney transplant, robotic heart surgery. So we have the full spectrum, but this one little thing is missing, which I'm working on right now.
So are you also working with the, these economically weaker sections? Is there any special program within your hospital to get them free treatments or subsidized treatments?
Absolutely, absolutely, and that's the most pleasurable part of it.
Okay.
So we have many alliances. So we have one free for BPL.
Okay.
We have for EWS a
Okay.
separate program. So
Perfect.
what we do is to help, like maybe 20% of the people who are EWS, we help them on a daily basis by subsidizing it or
Perfect.
doing it for whatever money resources they have. But more importantly for children,
Yes.
we do free surgery for children.
Oh wow. Okay.
So there are 2 foundations in which we have, one pays just for the consumable of the heart lung machine,
Okay.
and we do it free. So these are little babies. So that's the Malik Foundation through Heart Foundation, and the other one is a couple from US, and they do the same thing out of their own volition. They came here and they started this whole thing.
Interesting.
And then we have a what we call Thanksgiving week.
Okay, like Thanksgiving, US style Thanksgiving?
No, this is Sadhu Vaswani
Okay.
mission. We have a Thanksgiving week. In that Thanksgiving week, they pay 1/3, the patient pays 1/3, and we pay 1/3.
Oh.
So there are many models, and now we've done another one with somebody who is sitting in Dubai, and he said, please don't let anybody go, which we don't like, don't want to anyway, so we half it.
Oh, how interesting.
So yeah, so there is a whole lot of, but we have our share of free patients, totally free, but then we have these half sponsored, quarter sponsored. So no matter which way we do it, we will do 300-400 children, their operations in some free form or subsidized form.
So you're touching so many lives in so many ways.
No, we think it's important in the sense, one, their whole future is ahead of them.
Yes.
If a child is not fixed in childhood, they will stay a burden for life on their parents.
Absolutely.
And the parents are young when they have little children. They are young, they're just starting their life.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if the burden is so much that they collapse under it. So I think from that point of view, we have a special space for children, so that we know that if you can fix them, their whole life will be better.
Absolutely.
They will not be a burden on the family, and so on and so on.
We're going to take a short break here. कहीं मत जाइएगा, जल्दी वापस मिलते हैं आपसे। आज के बहुत ही खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान।
Actually, तकरीबन सब कुछ जानते हैं।
It is on my bucket list as well.
Right. No, so I have done scuba diving, water skiing, snow skiing.
आज के बहुत ही खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान।
Actually, तकरीबन सब कुछ जानते हैं।
It is on my bucket list as well.
Right. No, so I have done scuba diving, water skiing, snow skiing.
वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक। बातों का सिलसिला फिर से शुरू करते हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान से। डॉक्टर त्रेहान, एक चीज़ आई नो कि हमने इतनी पॉजिटिव चीज़ों की बात की है, लेकिन एक चीज़ जो अक्सर बार बार न्यूज़ में हम देखते हैं, और हालांकि मैं बहुत कम नेगेटिव क्वेश्चंस पूछती हूँ अपने गेस्ट से, कि मेदांता अक्सर सुर्खियों में रहता है फॉर बीइंग डूइंग समथिंग नेगेटिव और दी अदर। आपका अपना क्या कहना है इसके बारे में कि क्यों इतने ज़्यादा अखबारों में रहते हैं कि मेदांता का कुछ तरीके ऐसे हैं जो चेंज कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा है, इसके कई कारण हैं
जी।
एक तो सेंसेशनलिज्म इज बिकम जर्नलिज्म।
जी बिल्कुल।
ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली इफ यू लुक एट इट कि कभी कभी आती है बात। अब एक केस रिसेंटली हुआ था
जी
कि एक पेशेंट आया मैसिव हार्ट अटैक
के साथ। हाँ जी।
तो हमारा क्या फर्ज है उसको बचाने की कोशिश करनी। तो कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट ने इमीडिएटली उनको इन द मिडल ऑफ द हार्ट अटैक ले गए एंजियोग्राफी में, उन्होंने उसको बचाने की कोशिश करी, 2 स्टेंट लगाए उसमें। जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि वो आर्टरीज बंद हो गई थी। बिल्कुल। बट उस सक्सेसफुल स्टेंटिंग के बावजूद भी द डैमेज ऑलरेडी डन वाज सो मच कि द पेशेंट डिड नॉट सर्वाइव।
ओह यस, सॉरी।
तो अब पेशेंट की फैमिली कहे कि जी 3 घंटे में 2 लाख का बिल बन गया। हाँ। अगर जो आप ये सोचोगे 2 लाख का बिल बन गया, तो कोई नॉलेज के बगैर सोचोगे तो कहेगा हाँ ये तो बड़ा बहुत ज्यादा ले लिया भाई इन्होंने। जी बिल्कुल। पर ये नहीं पता कि जो बिल बना है वो स्टेंट्स का बना है। स्टेंट्स तो कंपनी को तो कोई मतलब नहीं ना कि कोई किसका एंड रिजल्ट क्या है। जी। उनको तो अपने पैसे लेने हैं। बिल्कुल। तो उनको पैसे देने के लिए तो ये हो सकता है कि भाई जो भी आए उसकी जान बचाओ ही नहीं, मतलब जो बचेगा अपने आप बच जाए, नहीं बचे ना बचे। तो 90% से ज्यादा लोग बच जाते हैं इंस्टेंटली। बट जो 5-10% नहीं बचते, वो अगर यही सोचेंगे मेरे पैसे भी लग गए और बचा भी नहीं, तो वो अपनी तरफ से सच्चे हैं, हम अपनी तरफ से सच्चे हैं। जी, पर ये है कि अखबार वाला हमसे नहीं पूछेगा। हाँ। अगर जो अखबार वाले ने हमसे पूछा होता कि भैया ये ऐसा बोला है किसी ने, तो फिर उसकी अखबार शायद ना भी बिके, क्यों भैया दोनों साइड की स्टोरी हुई है, तो स्टोरी क्या हुई, ये तो सच है। उसको तो दिखाना है कि भाई ओह बहुत बढ़िया, क्या बात है, मैंने पकड़ लिया। तो ये इस ऐसी चीजों से, जो इररिस्पॉन्सिबल चीजों से नुकसान हो रहा है सबका हो रहा है। पेशेंट अगर जो ठीक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिलेगी उसको और इसी शक में ही पड़ा रहेगा तो कई अननेसेसरी जाने जाएंगी।
जी जी बिल्कुल।
ये सिर्फ हमारे हॉस्पिटल पे नहीं है,
सब हॉस्पिटल्स के लिए। जी बिल्कुल।
और टीवी वाले तो पहले ही पहुंच जाएंगे उल्टी सीधी बात करने के लिए। तो ये हमारी जो थिंकिंग नेगेटिव है ही है।
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
कितनी बार अब मैं आपको बताया मैंने आपको कि 300-400 बच्चे फ्री हम करेंगे साल के। जी फ्री। किसी ने पूछा है कि भाई आगे जी मैं फोटो ले लूं कि ये मैदान था इतना अच्छा काम कर रहा है।
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
डेंगी में कोई बोलेगा वो ये तो आप अपनी पब्लिसिटी के लिए कर रहे हो। दिमाग खराब है कि अगर जो हिंदुस्तान इतना ही नेगेटिव रहेगा तो फिर वो पीछे जाता रहे तो हमारी किस्मत ही है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
You understand what I'm
No,
saying?
I understand and I believe
हाँ।
in goodness of people. I believe in positivity in everything.
तो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, इससे हुआ क्या है कि डॉक्टर भी सोचता है कि मेरे को मैं क्यों बॉदर करूँ। जी। अगर जो मुझे मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग ही होनी है मेरे बारे में तो मैं जो रिस्की केस है उसको जाने देता हूँ। हाँ। तो फिर वो अनफॉर्चुनेट बात हो गई ना। जी जी बिल्कुल। अब इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इसको अगर जो कोई एजुकेटेड तरीके से समझे तो आप समझेंगे कि मेदांता से अच्छा हॉस्पिटल दुनिया में है ही नहीं। आप अभी JCI की हमारी इंस्पेक्शन हुई जी, जो टीम आई थी सबसे स्ट्रिक्ट टीम आई थी क्योंकि बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, तो उसने हमें जाते हुए बोला कि सिर्फ एक हॉस्पिटल है अमेरिका में जिसको मैं आपसे कंपेयर कर सकता हूँ। अच्छा। जो हमने हर चीज देखी है ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक, सिस्टम, इन्फेक्शन रेट, सक्सेस रेट, इस मुकाबले के है नहीं जी। और मैं आई रन द प्लेस इन द सेंस के मतलब आई एम चीफ ऑफ द कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सर्जरी, बट मतलब इथॉस तो है। आई डोंट मतलब सी एवरी पेशेंट और मेडिकली तो मेडिकल सुपरडेंट वगैरह हैं, सब अपने अपने चेयरमैन हैं अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के, बट जो एथिक्स यहाँ की है वो किसी हॉस्पिटल में आपको मिल जाए तो फिर मुझे बताना। ओके। ये मैं चैलेंज देता हूँ, चाहे कर लो किसी तरह से, बट नो रॉन्ग थिंग इज डन हियर।
जाते जाते बस सिर्फ हमें ये बताइए कि आपको अपनी लाइफ में, डेली लाइफ में इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिलती है और क्या चीज़ है जो आप अपनी अनवाइंड करने के लिए करते हैं। सो इसी से साथ छोड़े जाते हैं अपने दर्शकों को।
देखो एक तो है कि माय प्रोफेशनल फादर इज डॉक्टर फ्रैंक स्पेंसर। जो उनकी एक ही फोटोग्राफ है मेरे ऑफिस में, वो उन्हीं के टांगटाउन है। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। और सो ही टॉट अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू। ओके। और वो वैल्यूज जो हैं वो आज तक मेरे को ये लगता है कि वो जो भी जर्नी मैंने करी है, आप सक्सेसफुल बोले अनसक्सेस जो भी कुछ है, वो उनके तहत हुई है वैल्यूज के। अच्छा। एक तो स्किल्स सीखी। हाँ हाँ। जो स्किल्स मतलब सबसे हाईएस्ट स्टैंडर्ड की ट्रेनिंग थी। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। हाँ जी हाँ जी। He taught us one thing, if you are standing still, you are going backwards. Yes. And if you are not better today than yesterday, then you wasted 24 hours. Oh, how wonderful. If you practice these two things, yes, you will always be doing and third. Yes. And if you are not better today than yesterday, then you wasted 24 hours. Oh, how wonderful. If you practice these two things, yes, you will always be doing and thirsty for more knowledge, for new things, to do something. How beautiful. Wonderful. तो ये तो realization बहुत पहले आ गई थी मुझे कि ये जो पैसा जो है, जिसकी लस्ट बहुत लोगों को है, वो ना आप खा सकते हो और ना ले जा सकते हो। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। तो फिर किस बात की? So जो है, if you share it, that gives you much greater happiness. So that stage, I mean, comes in people's lives, and it come in my life. Wonderful, wonderful. आपसे बातें करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much for giving us your time. We really, really enjoyed having you. No, my pleasure.
This is Simi signing off until next time. Keep watching OK India. मेरे आज के बहुत ही खास मेहमान हैं डॉक्टर त्रेहान।
Actually, तकरीबन सब कुछ जानते हैं।
It is on my bucket list as well.
So I have done scuba diving, water skiing, snow skiing.